In this video, I'll guide you through how to resend a DocuSign document. Maybe someone missed the email, accidentally deleted it, or it ended up in their spam folder. Whatever the reason, you don't need to create a brand new envelope or start over. Resending the original document is quick and helps keep the signing process moving smoothly. First, make sure you're signed in to your DocuSign account and that you're on the main home screen. This is usually the page you see right after logging in. From here, look toward the top or side of the screen for the option labeled Home or Dashboard. This is your central hub where you can see recent activity and access your agreements. Once you're on the home dashboard, the next step is to open your list of agreements. Find and click on the section labeled Agreements. And this is where DocuSign keeps track of the envelopes and documents you've sent out or received. When you click into Agreements, you'll see a list that might include items like drafts, in-progress documents, and completed envelopes. Now, you'll want to locate the specific envelope you need to resend. Take a moment to scan the list and look for the document title or the recipient's name. You can usually sort or filter the list by status, such as sent, waiting for others, or completed, which can make it easier to find what you're looking for if you have a long list of agreements. Once you've found the right envelope, look over to the right side of that row. On the right side, there's typically a set of actions or a small menu icon next to each envelope. This is where DocuSign groups the available options for that specific document. Click on the envelope entry or the actions area on the right side to bring up your available options. Among those options, you should see one labeled Resend. Go ahead and click Resend. What this does is trigger DocuSign to send out a fresh notification email to the existing recipients of that envelope. It does not change the document itself or the signing fields. It simply sends a new email link so the signer can access the same document again. After clicking Resend, DocuSign will usually ask you to confirm that you want to perform this action. This confirmation step is important because you want to be sure you're resending the correct document to the correct people. Take a quick second to check that you've selected the right envelope. When you're sure, go ahead and confirm the action. Once you confirm, DocuSign will immediately send out new email notifications to the recipients using the email addresses already associated with that envelope. The signer will then receive a new message in their inbox with a link to review and sign the document just as they did the first time. That's all there is to it. By going to your home dashboard, opening agreements, selecting the correct envelope from the right side, clicking Resend and confirming, you can quickly resend a DocuSign document without recreating anything. This simple process helps you handle missed emails and gentle reminders efficiently, keeping your agreements moving toward completion.